I have the stuff for your hair. Come on. Hey, I'm about to do Katherine there. Katherine! You said you wanted me to do your hair. Now get in here. Oh, finally. Slow poke.
I can't see.
Well, too bad. I'm sorry. Alright, ready to do your hair?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. Just go.
Ow.
Alright.
Oh!
I'm sorry. This look kind of funny. Next. Ponytail holder.
I'll think you beat out my throat too.
Sorry. It's a ponytail holder. I have to redo this one. Sorry. Calm down, you big baby.
Yeah, the man-handed one.
Sorry, I'm pulling your hair.
It looks nice.
So good. God gifted me this talent. Move your head up. Put your head down. Up. I mean up, sorry. Put your... Alright, finished.
Ow!
3 buns.
Ew, this elephant weighs 100 pounds and it's a high five.
Okay, get up and show them your hair. It looks good. Get up.
Stop dragging me on the floor then.
Get up and show them your hair. I put it in 3 buns. Turn your head. See? 1, 2, 3. Looks cool.
Okay. I'm sick.
We'll be back.
I don't feel good. Uh-oh. Bye-bye.